So this is Beaver Brook Trail. Lookout Mountain. May bahay doon, friend, no? Tuk-tuk.
Ano yan? Yan ang ending sa...
Ay, dyan tayo pupunta? Kaliit.
Ano?
There's no? Talaga lang. Sa init. Siguro ano yan, friend? Baby bird. Kinagat ka na ano, friend? Langaw? Oo.
Yeah.
Buhay ba to? Patay? Uy! It's alive! Friend! Buhay siya! Buhay siya! Susugurin niya ako! Ginny, ano yun? Genesee Park. Hiker only. Wow. Oops. Pera hulog.
She's showing you that it's still alive after you kick it.
Yeah.
It's alive. Look, it's alive.
Tuntog rin ang bata mo, friend. Mamamatay hayop.
Pinatay ko na yan. Nakita ko.
Yun sabi niya.
Sa isip-isip niya, pinatay ko na yan. Nakita ko. Look, it's alive.
Ganda ba ang taas? Akala ko madali lang, pahirapan din pala. Mabato pala. Oo.
As you can see. Wow. I want to go to the fire tower.
Rocky Mountain. That's a fire tower?
Yeah.
Why it called fire?
Huh?
Why it's called fire?
Because it's a fire tower.
Fire tower?
You look for fire. Yeah, keep going.
Keep going.
Oh, God. I'm gonna go to a fire tower.
We're going there.
This is the wrong way. This
Oh.
somewhere else.
Yeah, it looks like.
Okay, let's go back then.
Oh, maybe we can tawid there.
Yeah, let's go there.
Let's go, Alex. We will cross the bridge when we get there. Let's go.
You go. I'm gonna go to a fire tower.
Huh? We'll go climbing there. No. Wow, so many rocks. Is this
Because I don't. This is the hiking that you're supposed to follow.
Oh, I think there is a. Well, I think.
We are hiker.
Ano sabi niya?
Hiker only. Hiker tayo.
Oh.
Kala mo nag-test.
Oh, it is hiker only. Oh, it means you can go if you don't. If you can go. Lintian English pa more.
No, baby, don't climb up.
Be careful, Alex.
I don't want you to climb up, baby, because I don't know how.
This is flat. Medyo flat dito. Linti, ano ba sa English yun?
I don't know how stable the rock is. So we don't climb. Ito yung nag-landslide dati, 2016.
Oh, tapos ba to?
Oo, doon nang galing.
Ah, kasi malakas ang ulan tapos ano. Yes, we made it.
Meron pang isa pero na ganito.
Oh,
Diyan sa harap mo.
patay na.
Almost there. Not that way because that's difficult way.
There's another one.
Hike only is more difficult.
Oh, dapat pala doon kanina yung sa taas, no? Mamaya, suntukan na yan.
Alex, go ahead.
Oh, I need rest. Go ahead, Alex. Go ahead, friend.
Doon tayo mag-rest for no sa phone.
Andun tayo mag-rest.
So, walang init. Mamamatay tayo sa init. Oh, huwag kang... Ay, nagkakat si Robert sa akin. Yes, my wife. Tubig, friend. Gusto ng tubig.
Mamaya. Natutuling ako doon sa salamin ko eh. Ayan. We made it. Yes. Congratulations.
Here, Alex. You want some water?
Ayan guys. Yung puno. Labas na yung ugat guys. Pero still alive. Lumalaban sa buhay. Dito siya dumaan sa ano, oh. What's that? Wow. So high. You okay, Alex?
Come on, bro.
Para siyang sisipunin. Alex, there's two, what do you call that? Tibakla. Ah, dapat nagmask. Wow. Rocky Mountain. Kakahilo. Wow, look at that. You're almost there. I can see the house. There. Ang liit, no? Matatanaw mo talaga yung ano eh, bundok, tapos nasa taas tayo yung atip ng mga building, oh. Para na akong gumamit ng drone.
Active ka ba sa kuan, friend? Magpa-vlog-vlog?
Sa Facebook at saka sa YouTube.
Paano kita i-add? Magawa ako ng Facebook.
Yeah, hanapin yung pangalan ko.
May sabihin na naman, follow.
Oo.
Parang artista.
Ang ganda ng kalsada, oh. Nakuhaan ko yung parang ahas na mga Pinoy sa Amerika, guys. Colorado, USA.
Wait, say like July 31st with like TH? No, July 31st would be 31 ST. 31 ST. Oh.
Nagmamay-day yata yung anak mo ah.
Pareho kayo, friend. Nagpa-vlog din siya.
Oh, you have YouTube, Alex?
Yeah.
Ah.
Subscribe each other.
What's the name? Alex?
One sex as
Alex 16? Ano?
Show it on after she's doing it. Whatever she's doing.
Later, Alex. I need to reach 8 minutes so I can I don't do it.
Ay, ganun yung ginagawa mo, friend?
Yeah, sometimes I do editing but it's hard.
Anong editing ang ginagamit mo?
CapCut.
Pareho pala kayo. CapCut yung ginagamit
Oh, Alex too, but I don't pay. Yeah, you sometimes you have to pay.
Babayad ka?
Oh,
CapCut?
yeah, some.
Oh my God. Gusto ko mag-video but I don't want to edit.
Yeah, that's why you can make it short. 1 minute. Maganda yan kasi pag binata na siya, hindi niya alam, kumikita na siya.
Ano mo yung I don't know, anong ina-upload niya?
Yung mga games niya, mga ano yan.
What do you upload there? Some games?
How many followers you have, Alex? A lot? And-
27 daw po siya. And then on TikTok, I used to have 1,000.
Yeah, one
I hate TikTok.
they said TikTok is gonna be gone.
Really?
Yeah.
TikTok is gonna be done?
Everybody is fighting for it. I don't know. There's an issue about it.
They said TikTok friend kay kuan is a form of I don't know. Chinese daw ang may-ari ng TikTok.
Oh. Kaya inaano nila kasi sikat na.
Yeah.
Diba yung mga Korean na ano sikat?
Kumikita ng mga tao na sa TikTok.
Oh.
May TikTok ako dati, ngayon wala na.
Diba sumikat TikTok mo?
Pero dinilit ko.
Ang kumikita na yung iba doon ah.
Marami kasi mga basher doon na nasasaktan ako.
Ay labanan mo sila, bakit ba? Mga inggit yan eh.
Masakit yung mga pinagsasalita.
Oo, kasi ganun talaga. Titirahin nila yung ano. Or ganun ang iba.
Titirahin ka talaga pag ano.
Ang ganda ng bahay oh. Begin.
Alexander, is Waterworld open like during the weekday? Yes. They're going to close.
Really?
Oh, because it's August. Hindi
Oh.
pa tayo nakapunta friend.
Di ba pumunta tayo dati?
Yes.
Yun ba yung nag-slide tayo? Ay hindi. Yung nag-boating tayo, iba yun?
Yung malaking swimming pool.
Ay, may alon-alon.
Yeah.
1 minute na lang. Matutudas na tong video ko. Thank you for watching guys. Salamat sa mga nagtsatsaga manood ng aking video. Sisikat din ako balang araw.
Tagalog, baby, because maybe it's really funny on how she's saying things. Gusto ba niya magpaturo friend ng Bisaya?
Bisaya?
Yeah.
Anong alam niyang Bisaya?
Wala.
Hindi mo tinuruan?
Tarantado kasi yung papa niya. Sinabi ko dati na tuturuan ko. Sabi niya, wag, you have to wait na malaki na siya. Siya talaga magtanong na turuan mo.
Ang hintay pa talaga.
Kaya
Pag
nga,
bata pa, doon masasana yan eh.
kaya nga, tuturuan ko sana. Ayaw ng papa niya.
Si Robert alam niya, lulo, lula.
Alam niya?
Oh,
Buti, may alam siya.
yun lang alam niya. Ayan guys. Malapit na, 5 seconds. Ayan, thank you for watching. Sa Golden na kami.